All you need to know about Managed VPS Hosting. VPS Hosting is a fast web hosting platform that enables performance optimization with custom settings. But don't worry if you do not have the technical expertise to make the most of it. Here's all you need to know about Managed VPS Hosting and get the best hosting performance. What is Managed VPS Hosting? The VPS hosting in which the hosting provider takes care of your website is known as Managed VPS Hosting. They handle all the technical aspects of hosting such as updates, infrastructure issues and maintenance. Whether you don't have the expertise or you don't want the hassles, your hosting is well maintained. It leaves you free to concentrate on your business without having to worry about your website. What are the benefits of Managed VPS Hosting? When you leave the management of your server to the experts, you can expect high performance. You get a better optimized hosting environment that gives a seamless and consistent user experience. With regular maintenance, your VPS hosting stays in peak performance condition and becomes a more reliable platform. You do not have to fret over your server's security as it is configured by experts in their field. You get better customer support and issues are resolved quickly, sometimes even before you know of them. Your website benefits from the custom software setups that maximizes performance without giving up on efficiency. HostGator's Managed VPS Hosting comes with round-the-clock support and expert technical solutions. Get the best of VPS hosting for your website with a team of experts looking after it.